Welcome to Englobe. In this video, we'll guide you on how to start preparing for the TOEFL exam and achieve the highest score using Englobe App. We'll reveal some of the app's secrets and unconventional methods of preparing for the TOEFL. We'll also show you how to utilize the advanced tools in the exam sections and the media available within the application to secure a distinctive TOEFL score. Remember, the TOEFL test comprises 4 sections: speaking, listening, reading, and writing, with each section scored out of 30, making the total score 120. Now, let's get started. Section 1. Mastering Speaking. Englobe offers a specialized section that includes dozens of simulated TOEFL speaking exams. But before we go there, we'll explore other sections that you should start with. First, the speaking category section. Here, there are dozens of tasks dealing with various life topics. You can practice hundreds of translated sentences, identify words you pronounce incorrectly, and thereby enhance your pronunciation skills and expand your English vocabulary. Second, the professional speaking section. This section provides preparation tutorials for the job, PhD, and visa interviews. It offers hundreds of sample answers with the possibility to check pronunciation. This will help you develop advanced pronunciation skills and English vocabulary you'll undoubtedly need for the TOEFL test and subsequent stages of your future plans. In the previous 2 sections, your listening skills will also be enhanced, as you'll get the opportunity to listen to hundreds of sentences while viewing their transcripts and practicing their pronunciation. Third, the free speaking section allows you to practice answering various topics. Englobe uses an accurate speech-to-text transcriber, so if it doesn't transcribe a certain word, it's likely due to mispronunciation. This will certainly assist you in identifying words that require additional practice for improved pronunciation. Now, we'll move on to the TOEFL speaking sections. You'll find dozens of varied tasks based on the 4 TOEFL speaking tasks. Here, you can practice sample answers and your own answers. You can also take advantage of the Power Evaluation feature. This tool provides a full assessment of your answer, including grammar and fluency, along with an improved version of your response. Remember, also try the IELTS speaking sections to broaden your pronunciation practice and memory of different English conversation patterns. Section 2. Mastering Listening. Englobe offers a specialized section for TOEFL listening practice. But first, let's start with the media section. This section is one of the most important sections in the application. Here, you can learn various English words by studying their meanings, usage examples, and then watching a video clip related to the word's meaning. You can adjust the video speed and toggle subtitles as you wish. These engaging and interesting media clips will develop your listening skills and the ability to understand natural, fast-paced English. Now that you have mastered general listening skills, you can proceed to explore the TOEFL listening sections. The actual TOEFL listening section includes 5 audio segments, 3 of which are academic lectures and 2 of which are conversations that deal with academic and university campus topics. At the TOEFL listening sections within Englobe, you'll find dozens of TOEFL lectures and conversations that simulate the real exam. You can see the script while listening, and you'll have many questions with their answers. The sample exam section allows you to test your listening skills. It's an opportunity to test your listening comprehension skills without having the script. However, you can still find the correct answers after completing the exam. The extensive range of exam models will familiarize you with this type of exam, making the actual test seem much easier. Although you are preparing for the TOEFL listening exam, it's recommended to also practice with the IELTS audio clips available in the app. These clips are essential for enhancing your listening skills and becoming familiar with various English accents, which you should expect to encounter on the actual TOEFL exam. Section 3. Mastering Reading. Englobe offers 3 different types of reading exercises to help improve your reading skills. In addition to the tests available in the TOEFL reading section, which cover a range of topics, you can also access IELTS and GRE reading tests for a diversified reading experience. The GRE in particular provides an advanced type of text analysis that will improve your comprehensive understanding of the text, a vital skill for excelling in the TOEFL reading section. We haven't forgotten about challenging TOEFL words either. Englobe presents a large set of flashcards, each with a word, its meaning, and an example sentence translated into various languages. Finally, to learn how to optimize your time with Englobe's tools and features to achieve high TOEFL scores, view the Englobe study plans. These are organized according to the different proficiency levels of exam takers. To determine your level, watch the following video, linked below, and discover various TOEFL study plans via the Englobe application.